Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show to you guys how you can quickly check if your PC has been compromised. The first thing that you have to do is to go and search and you type here MRT and then it will pop up this command here, which you have to just click over there and then it will pop up this window which is about Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. And then over here you just click over next and you have two possibilities here to do a quick scan, scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software, or the full scan. If the situation is acute, you may try for the quick scan to try to identify as fast as possible if there is any issues on your computer, and if you want to check in more deep, then you just select the second option, full scan, which scans the entire system. You have to know that this will take some hours, especially if you have a lot of storage on your computer. So after you have selected one of these options, you click over next and then actually the full scan in progress. So it has just started right now, and after the operation complete, the tool will provide you with a full report of the malicious software that was detected. So this was the first thing that you have to do in order to identify any issues on your computer. The second thing that you have to do is to go over search again and then over here you write this command, which is net plwiz, and then you just click over it in order to run the command. And over here it's important to check if you see any user which is weird and it's not supposed to be over there, you just delete it. These are the chances where someone managed to attack or hack your computer and created another account in order to administrate your computer. But if you have reached to this phase, that means that's critical and you have to take action as fast as possible by deleting the account, checking if there is confidential data that you have in your computer to back up those on external drives and whatsoever. And then the next step that you have to do is to open Task Manager. And actually the Task Manager is a very simple tool, but it helps you to identify if there is something suspicious running on your computer. If you go over processes, you will see all the processes that you may doubt that actually it's not supposed to be there. So in my case, all these processes that I see here are related with the programs that I have been running on my computer. This is a little bit more complicated to identify, but if you have some information about the processes that are related with your programs, I recommend that you have a look on this if you find some kind of processes which are quite obvious that are not supposed to be there. And then over there you try to identify from which program it's coming, and then by clicking over open file location you can go over the location of the process, and in this case, for example, it's related with Windows System 32, so there is no issues in this case, but you have to be careful to identify that. The next thing is startup apps. A lot of cases when the hacker or the attacker managed to control your computer, they have installed kind of a startup programs which they run all the time once you restart or start your computer. And over here you just check if there is any program that you doubt that it's not supposed to be there. So basically these are the three quick ways how to identify if there is something suspicious in your computer. If you want to go more deep, you can try other programs or software which can identify more deeply the viruses beside the Windows security that is provided from Microsoft. But that's all for this video. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel to get more information like this so you can protect yourself. Thank you very much. All the best.